Donald Trump warned Vladimir Putin of severe consequences if Russia refused a Ukraine ceasefire at the much hyped Alaska summit. But after hours of talk, there was no ceasefire, there was no sanctions. The smiles, warm words, and Putin walking away with a diplomatic victory. So, did Trump get played by the Russian leader? Before heading to Alaska, Trump issued a stern warning to Putin: agree to a ceasefire in Ukraine or face severe economic sanctions. He reassured Zelensky and European leaders that Moscow would face consequences. Trump even hinted at a second summit, bringing himself, Putin, and Zelensky to the table if the Alaska talks went well. Expectations were sky high, but reality looked very different. At the summit, the atmosphere was surprisingly friendly. Putin praised Trump's strong leadership and even echoed his claim that the war in Ukraine wouldn't have happened if Trump were president earlier. Trump, in return, offered warm words, but not the tough sanctions he had promised. The word ceasefire was not even mentioned in the joint press briefing. Instead, Putin skillfully shifted pressure on Ukraine and the West, warning them not to derail what he called nascent progress. The result? No ceasefire, no new sanctions. For Putin, this was a major diplomatic win. He walked away without facing sanctions. Hostilities in Ukraine continued, but he bought himself more time. Trump even floated a controversial idea: security guarantees for Ukraine outside NATO. That effectively shuts NATO's door in Kyiv, something Moscow has always wanted. Once again, Putin managed to massage Trump's ego and disarm his threats. Former US Security Advisor John Bolton minced no words. He said Trump did not lose, but Putin clearly won. Why? Because Trump gained nothing except a vague promise of more meetings. Zelensky was even told about the summit outcomes. Putin, on the other hand, re-established US-Russia ties, escaped sanctions, and showcased himself on American soil in Alaska, a territory which was once owned by Russia. Bolton warned earlier that Putin views Trump not as a friend but as someone he can manipulate. And in Alaska, the KGB trained leader proved just that. So, where does this leave the war? Ukraine continues to fight, NATO allies grow uneasy, and Trump faces questions about whether his tough talk was just theater. Will there really be severe consequences, or will Putin continue to exploit this friendly relationship to his advantage? For now, the Alaska summit may be remembered as the moment Putin walked away smiling, while Trump left empty-handed. What do you think? Was Trump outsmarted, or this